Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli, and today in this video we're going to be reviewing Call of Duty Black Ops 3 and if you should buy it in 2018. Now first off, it has a campaign, multiplayer, and zombies. Very fun game in general. One of my top 5 Call of Duties out of all of them. Actually maybe top 3. Zombies, very fun. Multiplayer, very fun. Action-packed campaign. Co-op. This is 1 to 2 players on the Xbox One without Xbox Live, 2 to 18 on Xbox Live, and 2 to 4 co-op. Connect optional for microphone and wireless. It's 50 gig storage, and it is rated M17 and up. But you're here for if you should buy this game in 2018. Now, first of all, this is a physical copy. You could buy the digital copy if you choose to do so. It's in the Xbox store. I actually have the game in my Xbox right now. That's how fun it is. And I pretty much like this one a little bit better than World War II. World War II, not really that fun. It's fun, but it gets kind of boring. But this game, very action-packed. It's pretty good graphics. I mean, if World War II and Black Ops 3 switch graphics, this would be the top game in history. Black Ops 2 was the top game. Black Ops 3 is pretty good. And when Black Ops 4 comes out, I will pre-order it whenever they announce it, which usually is in March. So they should be announcing it sometime in March. Yeah, so this one comes with the Nuketown bonus map. It's free for everyone now, but if you want to still redeem this code, you can. There you go. Alright. Yeah, this was not redeemed. Whoever gets it first, because when I got this game, popped it in, downloaded it, it also started downloading the Nuketown bonus map. But now that everyone gets it for free, I don't really need it. So I was like, oh, there's no point in using it, so I just kept it in here, and you guys can use that. Just go rewind the video, and you can use that. But yes, you should buy this in 2018, especially with the good deals that will be going on for every Call of Duty in the past, because Call of Duty 4 will be coming out. You could be trading in multiple games to get that game. This game will be very, very cheap. It'll be like around $30, which is really cool. It's probably around 20 now, but yes, this game is really fun. I especially recommend it for Xbox One. If you have a PlayStation 4, I highly recommend it for getting it in 2018 as well. And I'll be doing another review in the future.